Hi there everybody, Bald&curious here. We'll do a little how-to video. Well, I'm here at the house. Usually I don't do that till pretty much after the house is at least primed, but I got nothing else to do and I want to get the power going. So I'm putting in the outlets and switches. And this is a dead giveaway. You see, like I had a wall with no outlet. That outlet over there, I found it later. When they sheetrocked over it. That happens. But no, there's a TV, coax cable, so obviously there had to be an outlet somewhere. I kind of butchered it because I had to be looking for it. So thankfully I'm doing it before they're taping, they're doing the compound so they can fix it. So just a quick tip, I mean usually you don't have more than 10 feet without the outlet, 10 feet of wall space. Then there's all different rules like how far from the door or whatnot. But that said, let me just show you how to put a simple outlet. Yeah, some people think I'm a prick for showing that, but I guarantee not everybody knows how to even put a stupid outlet. So let me set this up and hopefully you're gonna be able to see. Well, obviously, first things first, I want to make sure there's no power in these. I know there's no power because there's no breakers. Okay, so I didn't get to it yet. I'm gonna wire all this. So by no means I'm an electrician. I didn't wire the house. I had electricians to come in and do the rough wiring. I do all the finish just to save the money and gives me something to do. Plus, you kind of have to check your local laws. In my county, I can do my own plumbing and my own electric. If you're a homeowner, pretty much in any state, you should be able to work on your own house, whether it's a plumbing or electric. Question is, do you want to? All right, so these are 14 gauge wires, so you can use little pins in the back, so that makes it easier. What I do, I have a wire stripper, make a little bend on the ground. Now we strip to neutral. I have no idea what the noise was, but I have 3 wires over here, so that means I'm not just powering the next outlet, I'm probably feeding something as well. So I'll make this a little bigger. So that's what I do. Let's strip to hot. Okay, the reason why I make the hook is because I got 2 terminals and I gotta put 3 wires. So you can, if it's a 14 gauge wire, I usually just plug them right in like this. Well, actually I start with the ground wire, and you want to have the loop in the direction the screw goes, so it tightens better. Now, you see you got a polished screws, like a white ones, and then you have the brass ones. So the white goes to white. It even tells you over here, it tells you this is hot, this is neutral. So you plug into neutral, and obviously you can use the screws like I'm using for the third one. If this would have been any bigger wire than 14 gauge, I would just loop them like this. But with a 14 gauge, I never had an issue. So again, just push them in, push them in. That's it, that's wire. As you notice, these are tamper-proof outlets. That's a new code in New York State. And you kind of want to fold the wires neatly. Voila, outlet's installed. So if you have, let's say your outlet goes bad and you need to replace it, pretty much the same story. Just please go to your panel, flip the breaker. If you're not sure which breaker, just flip the main breaker. Turn off power for the whole house, just in case. As always, have fun. Keep shooting.